Hi everyone, this is Deborah and today I'm drawing the winner or the winners of my giveaway. I've got 116 comments, unique comments on the video that I asked you to comment on, so thank you very much for that. So let's go down to pick the winners and we'll see who's going to win. So if I do draw your name out, please get in touch via my email address. It's in the description below this video and all my videos. If you send me an email with your name and address, please, so I can post you your prize. Let's get going. We're flicking through. And there we have Anita Leach. She says, I've been collecting doilies for a quilt, a different kind, but now I am inspired by your lace and doilies and embroidery pieces to make a quilt. Oh, thank you. That's lovely. So down the bottom of this panel, I found where I can pick another winner. Here we go. Let's pick somebody else, shall we? This person is Pauline. Look forward to seeing the finished quilt. So that's the second one. Let's go again. Pick a new winner. And this is Charmaine. Hi, my name is Charmaine. I live in South Africa. Oh, how lovely. And love lace and your channel too. Thanks, Charmaine. You send me your details and I'll get your lace sent off to you. And now we'll pick another one. So this is number 4. And this one is Maxine. I love lace. Your videos are so fun to watch and I find myself talking to you as you choose your pieces. Let's just read the rest of that. I have binge watched this Sunday afternoon. Cheers from Utah, USA. Lovely. Let's just go back and we've got one more to go. So we've got one more to go. Let's get going. And this last one is Betty. She says, I am enjoying your series. As I collected my mum and grandma's lace and doilies from Ireland, a lot of them. I just have to go to the video so I can see the rest of the comment. I have made bags from scrap quilting and small quilts and I hope to attempt this too. Thank you. Oh, that's lovely. So there we go. We have 5 winners and if you could all get in touch with me, please, and I shall post off your lace bundle to you. Thank you to everyone who joined in and commented to win some lace. Much appreciated. For now, this is Deborah. Cheers.